is the Bolt Action Pen by Gunnar Lee that only took an hour and 30 minutes to print. It is very easy to assemble and it uses America's best pen, the Pilot G2 pen. To assemble it, you take the main body in this piece. After you do that, you insert the thicker piece right here. Then you take the handle and insert this thinner piece into the thinner section. After that, you are going to take your pen infill and the spring. Then you take the cap and twist it on. And this is how the finished product looks. It is very satisfying and sleek.